Guys, we're in this old abandoned French hotel. Come and take a look. It's pretty creepy inside. Look at it. You can see like broken glass everywhere, different rooms here, everything's super faded, and it just started raining, so I think that we're stuck here for a little while. Someone order a grab?
Yeah. There's no entrance. There are two guards, but there's no entrance fee.
So second day in Kampot. We rented a scooter today and we're making our way up to Bokor National Park, where we'll see the view from the top. We'll also see some of the old buildings that are there and that dot the skyline.
And apparently in this park, there is a Malayan sun bear that Uli really wanted to see ever since he read about this. But turns out that once you read about them a little bit more, they're apparently a little bit aggressive. And even though they're one of the smallest bears on this planet, and by the way, endangered, they can apparently hurt you a little bit and attack without any reason. So now we hope we will not encounter any of the bears.
We'll be lucky if we spot one, but we'll make sure to stay away from them. So this is our ride for the day. And we'll be working our way up to the mountains there.
See you there.
See you there.
We came here to see the views of the ocean. And no, the camera is not out of focus. It's just in front of us, where the ocean is a huge wall of clouds. This is a view just behind me, beautiful sun, lush greenery, and this is the view of the cliff. The cloud is stopping basically at this hill, and you can see maybe up to 5 meters in front of you. Look in here to have a better view. So that will be it of the view of the ocean for today. And let's join Uli, he will tell us more about this resort.
We're currently at Bokor Hill Station, and what we have behind me is the Bokor Palace, which was built in 1925. This area was a thriving location for the French that wanted to escape the area around the hill and kind of find cooler climates, and they built things like this, Bokor Palace. It looks abandoned right now. I think it's going under renovation, and it'll open up and contribute to the villas and the development in the national park.
Apparently, it was an old king's retreat. And here's some other scenery in this very place. Google review says that it used to be a school, but we do not know for sure. Literally 10 minutes ago, we were stuck in the abandoned hotel over there with the rain. And now, look at this view. I'm standing in exact the same place where I was showing you the cloud wall. And if you notice, the cloud is above us at the moment, and there's still like a very thin curtain. Actually, it's a curtain of rain. I think it's coming in our direction. But behind this, only sun. I really hope it dies out before it reaches us.
Jump in.
Let's go.
There's an old abandoned church on the hill. It's actually open, you can look inside.
This Catholic church was a strategic location during the Khmer Revolution and also for the Vietnamese because it gave you a lookout point over the coast and the lowlands. Over the years, it's been abandoned. It doesn't really feel like a Catholic church anymore because it's been partitioned inside. And take a look at this color. It looks like it's corroded over the years. Pretty cool, huh?
It is also huge. There's sky bar because otherwise I think the restaurant is on the ground floor, so it's not like we're gonna see something from there.
No, hustling clean up.
I had never say from the outside, but this hotel is actually open and active. We just ordered some snacks. And then we're gonna visit a sky bar that is apparently open, but there's no food or drinks. Or we think this is what we understood. From the dining area and the casino that is upstairs, I think, you would go here, and for this passage you would get to the buildings, the hotel rooms that we've seen from the road. We're at the casino, and because it's past lunchtime and we didn't have lunch, we are grabbing a snack. Have a look.
Spring rolls and juices.
Let's go, spring rolls and juices. And then we have a few more spots and heading back home. A new, bigger statue of Buddha. It will be 108 meter tall. This is probably the most unique architectural ensemble we have ever seen. The Buddha statue, and here literally hundreds of dragonflies. This is a very charming location and we nearly missed it. This is like a set of little temples, older and newer. And then just behind the guards, can you see this giant statue of Buddha? This is where we're gonna go next. There are literally statues hidden everywhere. Look at this one, I nearly missed it. I know that the mist and the milk sky covered with clouds adds to this, but this place is truly mystical. There's no beaten path. You just walk among these trees and you step upon the tiny shrines on your way. Another massive statue of Buddha. And we're gonna go very quickly over there. Can you see statues of animals? I think these relate to the horoscope. There are statues of different animals relating to the horoscope and little donation box.
We made it back to the city and we watched a beautiful sunset by the river with some buildings in the background, but still very, very charming. And now we found this little cute restaurant. We already ordered our food. The waiters didn't speak English, but we communicated via menu and Google Translate, and they offered us a free tea. But the thing is that they brought glasses with ice, and they brought a kettle with boiling hot tea. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Wait for the tea to get cold, or just make an experiment and see if the glass will hold. By the time we made it to the glass, it's lukewarm, so I think we're fine. Let me try it. Jasmine tea, my favorite. Drink up. This is our dinner tonight. We are back on the vegetarian side. So I'm having noodles and Uli is having fried rice with vegetables. The interesting thing is that we have the chopsticks back on the table. We're very close to the Vietnam border, and we have a feeling that some people here are Cham. So we're wondering, should we eat this with chopsticks or should we opt for fork and spoon? I think we're gonna ask. Mystery solved. We asked the waitress and both. So I'm gonna eat my noodles with chopsticks and Uli is gonna have fried rice with spoon and fork. Let's begin.